In this video, I am going to discuss a basic program based on array. It is for beginner. I am going to take an input from the user and it save into an array and print all the inputs taken from the user. So let's go. First, defining header file include studio.h and main function int main and the return value 0. Now I am going to declare the size of the array of an array. So for this I am going to make a macro. Let's make a macro f hashtag define and the size. Let's say size is the 5. So you can take any size as your choice. So I am taking here 5. Now I am going to give a print statement for the user that enter the array value. So I'm going to take I'm going to display a statement for the user that user can easily understand and give the output value in our array. Now I'm going to take the value from the user. For this I'm going to use a function scanf, which I also use for taking the input from the user. So before that I use to scanf, we have to use a for loop for int I equals to 0. It will start from the 0 because our array indexing start from 0 and it will goes to the size of the array, and we have a size of the array is 5. So it will run at the 5 time and every time I is plus plus. Why I am using the for loop? That because we have to take input from the user at every index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this iteration I am using the for loop. I am going to use a scanf function and %d for the integer value, and I am here. Okay, sorry, we have not defined the array. Let's say suppose arrays we are going to define here I. Now I'm going to define an array also because we have not defined the array. So int array is the size. We have defined also size equals to 5 because we have make the macro of the size. So that's why. Now it will going to take the input from the user and save it in the index and going to save it in our array. Now we are going to display also these. So first we are going to take the input from the user and then we are going to display them. For printing the array values, I am also using a second for loop for printing the input value. I am going to use another for loop for int I equals to 0 and I is greater than size. Every time I am bringing a size because size is equals to 5. So loop will be run for the 5 times, and every time what I am going to use is printf function. Printf function, and the values are we going to store are integer type. You can also take a float, but here I am using an example of integer value. For integer we use %d and comma array I. Now I'm going to run the program and let's see the output. What are our output? After running the program, you can see output screens enter the array value. So I'm going to enter the value 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And you can see the printing the output values 10, 20, 30 and again a 10 because I will enter again 10 value and then 50. So there is the input value and the output value. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching our video.